Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. Today we are going to solve two problems from the chapter area related to circles from class 10th NCERT. So without wasting our time, let us jump into the video. Here we have question number 6, let us read it. A chord of a circle of radius 15 cm subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. So here to solve it we need a circle. Let us draw a circle with center O. Let us draw an arc. Let us name it A, B. Okay. Now radius of the circle is given 15 centimeter. This is also 15 centimeter and chord subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Okay, clear? Now the question is find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. So this yellow area, this yellow portion is called minor segment. Okay, so we have to find out the area of minor segment first. Okay, so the area of segment, here we will write the formula. Area of minor segment is equal to, here you can see a sector. Okay, so the formula is area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. If we subtract area of triangle AOB from the area of the sector, then we will get the area of the minor segment. So what is the formula for area of sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, and minus area of triangle AOB. Now you observe the triangle and so can you tell which type of triangle it is? You can see here in this triangle two sides are equal, 15 centimeter, 15 centimeters. So it is looking like an isosceles triangle. Okay, suppose it is an isosceles triangle. Now we know that if in a triangle two sides are equal, then angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. It means angle A and angle B also should be equal. Okay, but by angle sum property, sum of all the angles is 180 degree. So here it is a rough work. Angle A plus angle B plus angle O should be 180. Okay, should be 180. But angle A, angle B both should be equal here. So we can write angle A plus angle O is equal to 180 degree. But here angle A plus angle A is 2 angle A. Now plus angle O is 60 degree. It means 180 degree. It means 2 angle A is equal to 180 minus 60. 2 angle A is equal to 180 degree. 120 degree. Angle A is equal to 120 by 2, which is 60 degree. It means what? Angle A is equal to 60 degree. Angle B is also 60 degree. It means it is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Now let me erase it. So now do you know what is the formula of area of an equilateral triangle? That is root 3 by 4 side square. Okay. Now put all the values. Here theta is 60 degree. Okay. For sector, what is the theta? 60 degree. So 60 by 360 into, we have to put the value of pi according to the question, 3.14. And what is the radius? 15. So 15 square can be written as 15 into 15 minus. Here what is the value of root 3? So what value of root 3 is given in the question? 1.73 by 4 into what is the side of the triangle? 15. It means 15 into 15. Now it is the calculation part. So here it is the important part. Okay. So there are many ways to calculating this sum. Okay, here there are many ways, multiple ways are there. So here we will calculate in the simple way. Okay, now look carefully. Here we can cancel this 0. Okay, now 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36. Okay, now the simplest way to solve this is here, see the common numbers in both the terms. Here you can see that here 15 into 15, 15 into 15 is common in both the terms. So we can take 15 into 15 common. Then we will have 3.14 by 6. Okay. Now minus, then we will have 15 and 15 is out. Now 1.73 by 4. See, now it's very simple, looking like simple. Now 15 into 15, right, as it is. Okay. Now here take LCM. What is the LCM of 6 and 4? That is 12. Now 6, how many times 12? 6 2s are 12. Now multiply 3.14 by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. It means 6.28 minus 4, how many times 12? 4 3s are 12. Now 1.73 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21. Carry 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 and 2 is 5. Now from the right side, 2 digits after point is there. Keep point. Now 15 into 15. Okay. Now subtract 6.28 minus 5.19. Okay. So here we can subtract here 6.28 minus 5.19. So 18, it will become 1. 18 minus 9 is 9, 0, and this is 1. So it is 1.09 divided by 12. Now, okay, now we can calculate it in very simple way. Now see, here we can write it as 15 into 15 by 12 into 1.09. Okay, now 15 and 12 can be cancelled out by 3. 3 4s are 3 5s are. Okay, now we can write it as 5 into 15 by 4 into 1.09. Now divide 5 by 4. If you divide 5 by 4, you will get 1.25. Okay. Now multiplied by 15 into 1.09. Okay. Now if you multiply 1.25 and 15, you will get, I have already calculated it, we will have 18.75 into 1.09. Okay, and if we will multiply 18.75 into 1.09, we will get 20.4375. Since it is area, so the unit is centimeter square. Okay. Now this is the area of the minor segment. Now what about the area of the major segment? So this green part is the area of the major segment. So how we will calculate area of major segment? Area of major segment is equal to, if we subtract the area of minor segment from the area of full circle, we will get the area of major segment. So area of circle, it means pi r square minus area of minor segment, which is 20.4375. Now what is the value of pi? 3.14. Now what is the value of r? 15 into 15. Now minus 20.4375. So if you multiply 3.14 into 15, you will get 706.5. 706.5 minus 20.4375. Now if you subtract, then you will get the final answer 686.0625 centimeters square. Okay, so this is the area of the major segment. I hope you have understood this calculation very well. Okay, now we will move to the next question. So now we have question number 7. Let us read it. A chord of a circle of radius 12 cm subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Use pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.73. Now let us draw a circle with center O. Now here chord subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. 120 means obtuse angle. Okay, let us take a chord like this. Okay, now let the chord is AB and let here according to the question AB subtends 120 degree at the center. And what is the radius of the circle? 12 centimeter. Here also 12 centimeter. So here now here we have to find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Corresponding segment of the circle means here theta is equal to 120 degree. So what is the corresponding segment? This is the corresponding segment. It means minor segment. Okay, that is the corresponding segment. It means they are asking what is the area of the minor segment, not the major segment. Okay, so here what is the formula for this? Area of the corresponding segment. Area of segment is area of the sector minus area of triangle AOB. Okay, first we will find out the area of the sector. So area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. It means what is theta? 120 by 360 into what is pi value? 3.14 into what is r? 12 into 12. 0 0 cancel. 12 ones are, 12 threes are. Now 3 fours are. Now if you calculate 3.14 into 4 into 12, you will get 150.72. Since it is area, so centimeter square. Okay, if you multiply 3.14 into 4 into 12, you will get 150.72 centimeter square. This is the area of the sector. Now, what about area of triangle? Okay, here it is not an equilateral triangle. Okay, then how you will find the area of the triangle? The general formula for area of any triangle is, what is the area of the triangle formula? 1 by 2 into base into height. In this triangle, base is also not given. It means AB is not given. Here it is AB. AB is not given. And height is also not given. Then how? So we have to find out the base and the height. But how we will find? Here we will use the congruency, and for that we need to do a small construction. Draw a perpendicular from O to AB. Okay, let us draw a perpendicular OM. Okay, then this side is 90, this side is 90. Then triangle AOM will be congruent to triangle BOM. Can you say why? Here by RHS. Okay, here which rule we will apply here? By RHS. Because here one right angle, if you observe both the triangles, you will get one right angle equal 90-90 and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means in triangle AOM, OA is hypotenuse. In triangle OBM, OB is the hypotenuse, which is the radius of the circle, equal. And one more thing is what? One side is common. Which side? One side is common. Which side is common? Here OM is common. Here OM is common side. So triangle OAM is congruent to triangle OBM. Okay. So here we can write. So here by CPCT we can equate all the parts of the corresponding triangles. So here we can write angle AOM is equal to angle BOM by CPCT. By CPCT. So angle AOM is equal to angle BOM. Both will be equal to what? Angle AOM is equal to angle BOM will be equal to 120 by 2 will be 60 degree. And we can also write by CPCT AM is equal to MB. This is also CPCT. Okay. Now you can apply trigonometric ratios. Okay. In triangle AOM, okay, now you have found it out, this angle is 60 degree, isn't it? Now only we have calculated it. In triangle AOM, we can take any ratio here, sine or cos. First I will take cos. Here cos 60 is equal to, what is the formula for cos? Base by hypotenuse. For 60 degree, what is the perpendicular? AM. What is the base? OM. OM by what is the hypotenuse? OA. Okay, in right triangle AOM, cos 60 is equal to OM by OA. Now, cos 60 degree. What is the value of cos 60 degree? Do you remember sine 30 degree, which is 1 by 2? So, cos 60 is also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to OM by OA. So here OM we don't know, but OA value we know 12. So here cross multiplication 12, okay, 12 by 2 is equal to OM. So 6. So here OM is equal to how much? 6 centimeters. So now we have the value of OM. Now we need to find value of AM. So which trigonometric ratio you will use now? Sine 60 degree is equal to, we can write it as perpendicular by hypotenuse, P by H. Okay, perpendicular. What is the perpendicular for 60 degree? AM. What is the hypotenuse? OA. So sine 60 value is what? Root 3 by 2 is equal to, what is AM? We don't know. What is OA? It is 12. Okay. So here AM is equal to, by cross multiplication, 12 into root 3 by 2. So here 2 6s are, we can cancel it. It means AM is equal to what? 6 root 3. AM is equal to 6 root 3. Now we have, okay, now AM is equal to 6 root 3. Okay. Now what is the base and what is the height? So now we can find AB. AB is equal to 2 times of AM. Now AB is equal to 2 times of AM. It means 2 into 6 root 3, which is equal to 12 root 3, which is equal to 12 root 3. It means now we have base and height. Now what is the area of the triangle? So now the area of the triangle is, area of triangle AOB is equal to half into base into height, half into base into height. So here 1 by 2 into what is the base? AM. And AB. What is the base? AB. And what is the height? OM. So now, what was in the previous slide? Height is 6 centimeter, base is 12 root 3. 12 root 3 and 6. So here 1 by 2 into what is AB? 12 root 3 and what is OM? 6. Now 2 3s are 6. Now here 12 3s are 36, 36 root 3. It means what is the value? 36 into what is the root 3 value? 1.73. If you multiply 36 into 1.73, you will get 62.28. Since it is area, so you have to write centimeter square. Now, what is the area of the segment? Okay, so area of the segment is equal to area of the segment is equal to area of the sector, which was this one, 150.72. 150.72 minus area of the triangle, which is here only 62.28. 62.28. Okay, so 150.72 minus 62.28. Let us subtract it. 150.72 minus 62.28. So 12, this one will become 6. 12 minus 8 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now this will become 10 and this is 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. 14 minus 6 is also 8. 88.44. 88.44 centimeter square. So this is our final answer. Area of the segment is 88.44 centimeter square. Okay. So I hope you have understood how to calculate. If you practice more, you will be perfect in the calculation. Okay, so if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.